Hello everyone, welcome yesterday in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, April the 6th, 2022. We have here three regular Sudokus, a binary, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with I believe 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. So 3 puzzles. With these regular puzzles, I need will do total of 6 puzzles. And the news of today, yes, it's day number 41, the war in Ukraine. That's the news, yes. All right, let's get started with the first one, the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 4367. 4367. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, not the printed digits, but what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 5 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. If I place number 5 here, the 5th O here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed in this binary. So this should be a 1. Okay, double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. Then double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Need to wait. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then. Let me think. 4. Yeah. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place a number 5, the fifth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 5 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 1. Overlook this. Double 1. Here no. There no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4. Okay. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double 1. Here no. There no. 5 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Finish in 6 minutes. Great binary without any comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.